Hello everyone, I will show you how to create your LinkedIn resume. Very really easy, and I will show you the platforms here. The very first thing is that Canva. Let's go to the Canva and search for resume, right? And why I'm showing you the Canva, because it's really easy. Anybody can work on it. You can check out the template whichever you like. So I like very simple one, right? And this is really gamers or something like that. So I think, yeah, this is pretty easy, and you can just go and keep choosing any one of them. I like this one, so I will just go and click on customize this template. And right, and Canva is pretty free, right? Because when I just go to Google and look for resume builder, there's a lot more option, but this is free and the other one is not free, right? So of course, they just give you extra features. They make your the template is really colorful and everything, right? But I generally use Canva here. So what I do, I just zoom out, right? I can just zoom out from here, right? And I can change my photo or something, change my name and change everything here, the education and everything, right? So I can just go and change it completely and make my own. Now, for example, I have completed my resume here. I have edited this information completely. So now what I will do, I will just go and click on share and click on download. So generally it's a PDF. So PDF is a much better. So I will just go and click on download here. Now once PDF get download, how I can upload it. So I will just go to my profile icon, go to the setting and privacy here, then just go to the data privacy and scroll down and select on job application setting, right, and click on upload resume. Now once you do this, once your resume is uploaded, right, it's already turned on. So yeah, so if you want to remove or delete, you can always delete this out. So this is how you can do this, and thanks for watching this video, and make sure to like this video, subscribe.